Hi there, I'm Alan Williams and was recently divorced here in Las Vegas. I promise not to take up too much of your time, but I believe I can help you by showing you exactly how I was able to get through my divorce while still enjoying my time with my children and my friends. I don't know about you, but I've never been a fan of having to deal with not being able to keep my life in order. You work too hard to be wasting time on things that aren't pushing you forward. And half the time during my divorce, I felt like everything and everyone was pulling me backwards. So let's skip over the guesswork of how to have a successful divorce. Yes, I did say successful divorce. During my divorce, I was able to feel confident that someone else had my back, and I was able to sleep better at night without tossing and turning, wondering if I would lose everything in my life. But before I saw any success, I spent a lot of time and was stressed out about what to do. I was constantly worried about what would happen next, considering that I didn't know who to trust, and I was afraid I would lose everything, including my children and my home. But that's before I discovered what I'm about to let you in on. Now, there's no doubt in my mind that you too will have a successful divorce. I just want to save you from the grief that you'll likely go through along the way. That's why I'd like to invite you inside the law office of Leland Lutfy. The law office of Leland Lutfy is a unique divorce service that will specifically help you get through your divorce with as little emotional and financial pain as possible. Leland Lutfy has helped many people in Las Vegas, just like us, to have a successful divorce. Simply put, he gets results, and that's what matters the most. Here's what Leland does to help people just like you. Leland is very accessible, and this is great because anytime you have a question or concern about anything, you just call him directly and get instant comfort. He's also great at keeping things out of court, and this is huge because if you stay out of court, you can avoid the high cost many other Las Vegas divorces have here and walk away with more of your assets and cash in hand. And Leland is super at negotiating. This is big because once you determine what to ask for in your divorce, Leland goes to bat for you and makes it easy for the other attorney to get your ex to accept your terms. Now, to be honest with you, you could hire a big-name divorce law firm here in Las Vegas, but you'd be looking at spending at least $10,000 by the time they were done with you, and you'd likely be treated more like a number than a truly valued client. Don't worry, I'm going to save you from all of that today, but I should warn you, there is a catch in securing Leland Lutfy as your divorce attorney. He gets booked up fast. This is because Leland and his office are extremely hands-on for you, and he only takes on cases he can personally handle himself. I know that may put a little pressure on you, so I'm going to make this extremely simple. Because I'm such a huge fan of Leland, and I want to help as many people as possible who are in my position before meeting him, Leland has agreed to meet with anyone who responds to this video. Give him a try. You'll be so glad you called Leland, so call him now at 702-323-5510. I'm incredibly excited for you to meet Leland and to get started to get on with the rest of your life. Call Leland now at 702-323-5510.